Today I am going to explain the experiment how to conduct for determination of phase and line quantities of three-phase star and delta connection. Okay. So for this experiment, the apparatus required, the main apparatus required are trainer kit, three-phase autotransformer, three-phase resistive load, and then connecting wires. Okay. The rating of this three-phase autotransformer is 0 to 470 volt, and the rating of this three-phase resistive load is 450 volts bar 230 volt. That is 50 hertz frequency. Current rating is 5 ampere. Okay. So we are going to use these connecting wires, that is with color coding red, yellow, blue. Here, since there are three phases, we are using the color code to represent the phase sequence, that is R, Y, B, that is red, yellow, blue. Okay. So here, this is the load part, this is the supply part. So from supply you are going to give it to this load by using the connecting wires. In between you are going to use the autotransformer to vary the voltage. Okay. So this is for protective purpose. Suppose if you are going to apply this 450 volts directly to this load, if the connection is wrong, then there is a damage to this. It will damage to the load. That's why what exactly we are doing is we are going to use this autotransformer, so we can vary the voltage from 0 to 450 volts. We know that the line voltage for three phase is 450 volts. You can vary from 0 to 450 volts slowly, and then you can apply that particular voltage to this load. Okay. So that's why that is the purpose of using this autotransformer. And here we are using two meters, that is one is ammeter, another one is voltmeter. So here in case of star, we know that line current is equal to phase current, because the line and phase both are connected in series. Okay, the same reading you are going to get in this meter and also in this meter. That's why you are going to verify. Okay, in case of star, this is IL is equal to I phase, means line current is equal to phase current. But what is the relationship between the line voltage and phase voltage? See, here this voltmeter I have connected between the two lines. So this voltmeter reads the line voltage. Here this voltmeter I have connected between the line and neutral. Okay. So across this phase I have connected this voltmeter. So this voltmeter reads phase voltage. We know that in case of star connection, the line voltage is equal to root 3 times B phase. That is, line voltage is equal to root 3 times phase voltage. That's what you are going to verify by determining the phase and line quantities of three phase star connection. Okay. So when you are going to do this delta, so stop Modi. So when you are going to do the connection of this three phase load in delta, so you have that three windings. What exactly you are doing in this is, so we have the three windings like this for each phase. One is the starting terminal, another one is the ending terminal. This is for R phase. And for Y phase, you have the starting terminal and finishing terminal. B phase, you have starting terminal and finishing terminal. In case of delta, the finishing terminal of one phase, you are going to connect it to starting terminal of the another phase. So similarly, the second phase. So you are connecting the finishing terminal of the second phase to starting terminal of the third phase. And finishing terminal of the third phase, you are going to connect it to starting terminal of the first phase. Okay. Suppose if I am going to consider this is R1, R2. So then Y1, Y2, then B1, B2. What exactly you are doing? You are joining this, the finishing end of this R phase to starting end of the Y phase. Okay. So and then finishing end of the Y phase you are joining to starting end of the B phase. And then finishing end of the B phase you are going to join to starting end of R phase. This is how you are going to form the delta connection. Okay. And then the lines are taken out here. These terminals represents the line terminals. So when you are going to measure this voltage across the phase. What do you mean by this? This is V phase and this is V line. In case of delta connection, so line voltage is equal to phase voltage. Okay? When you are going to measure the currents, so here you are going to connect the ammeter in series with the line. Okay? And to measure the current in the phase, you are going to insert an ammeter in series with the phase. Okay? So here you are going to measure IL, here you are going to measure I phase. So now what is the relationship in case of this delta? IL is equal to root 3 times I phase. Okay? These two values you are going to verify when you are going to consider this delta connection. That is determination of phase and line quantities of 3-phase delta connection. Here you are going to perform the two experiments. One is with star connection, another one is with delta connection. Okay? When you are going to do this star connection, when you are going to consider the 3 windings, so here what exactly you are doing, the starting end and finishing end. So you are going to consider the terminals. So R1, R2 is the terminals of R phase, Y1, Y2 are the terminals of Y phase, B1, B2 are the terminals of B phase. Here when you are going to form the star connection, either you are going to short either starting terminal or the finishing terminal. So here I am going to short the finishing terminal. I am going to consider this is the neutral. Okay? So this is how exactly you are going to consider this. This is R1, R2. So it is connected to Y, no? So it is Y1, Y2, and then this is the finishing terminal we are going to consider. This is the starting terminal, and then this is B1, B2. All the finishing terminals R2, Y2, B2 are joined together to form the neutral. Okay? So this connection I am going to do it in the table. Okay? I am going to explain how exactly you are going to take the readings of line current, phase current, line voltage, phase voltage. How exactly you are going to verify this relationship in case of star, and also how exactly you are going to verify this relationship in case of delta. In this circuit, this part is the supply, this part is the auto transformer, and this part is the load. To measure line current and phase current, you are using 2 ammeters here, and to measure line voltage and phase voltage, you are using 2 voltmeters here. So now I am going to explain the components of this circuit, whatever you have here. So here there is a supply. This is the 3-phase supply. From this 3-phase supply, so you are going to give it to this supply. Okay? So here this 3-phase supply, whatever you are supplying from the control board, here you are taking the terminals. Okay? This represents R phase, this represents Y phase, this represents B phase. Here the color coding is there. Okay? Red, yellow, blue, and this black represents neutral. Okay? So here, from here you are going to take the connections. Okay? So before going to that kit, I am going to explain the transformer. So here the transformer terminals are there. So these are the input terminals of the transformer, red, yellow, blue and neutral. These are the output terminals of the transformer, red, yellow, blue and black. This black represents for neutral. Okay? So later I will explain you to the circuit. So first I am going to explain this component. So here in this kit, this is the phase and line quantities of 3-phase star and delta connection. I already explained how to perform the connection of the star and delta. Now with this kit, so in the circuit, you see that you have 2 voltmeters, you have 2 ammeters. Here also you have 2 voltmeters and 2 ammeters. So this is the R phase, this is the Y phase and this is the B phase. Okay. So here you are not using the load connection, there you are directly using that loading rheostat. So here you have this loading, this circuit. This is the resistive load, this is the balanced resistive load. Means the resistance of this R phase, resistance of Y phase and resistance of B phase all are same. When you are going to do this star connection, what exactly you are doing? You are going to join the similar ends. Okay. So here there are two terminals R1, R2 for R phase and Y1, Y2 for Y phase, B1, B2 for B phase. When you are going to form the star connection, you are going to join these terminals. You are going to short these terminals and you are going to take out the connections of this R phase as a line, Y phase as a line and B phase as a line like this. So these terminals you are going to take out and these terminals you are going to short. When you are going to do that delta connection, what exactly you are doing? The finishing end of this R phase, you are going to connect it to starting end of Y phase. And then finishing end of Y phase, you are going to connect it to starting end of R phase. And then the finishing end of B phase. Sorry, here the finishing end of R phase, you are going to connect it to starting end of Y phase. Finishing end of Y phase, you are going to connect it to starting end of B phase. Then finishing end of B phase, you are going to connect it to starting end of R phase. Okay. So this is how you are going to do. I will explain once again. This is the starting end of R phase. This is the finishing end of R phase. Starting end of Y phase, finishing end of Y phase. Starting end of B phase, finishing end of B phase. In case of star, the finishing end of R phase, you are going to connect it to the starting end of Y phase. Finishing end of Y phase, you are going to connect it to starting end of B phase. Finishing end of B phase, you are going to connect it to starting end of R phase when you are going to consider the phase sequence R, Y and B. Okay. So this is about the load. Okay. So now what exactly you are doing is, here you are using the supply, input you are giving to this and then from this you are going to take it to the output. Okay. So supply you are giving and the output of this you are going to connect it to transformer. From the transformer output you are going to do the connection. This connection I am going to explain in this circuit. I have already done the connections here, whatever I explained. Okay. So here I have used the wires with color coding. This is R, Y and then B. Okay. So now you see this R terminal is connected to R terminal of this kit. Okay. Y terminal we have connected to Y terminal of this kit. B terminal we have connected to B terminal of this kit. Okay. Since I am explaining the experiment with star connection, I have taken this neutral and I have connected to neutral of this kit. In case of delta, this connection is not required. Delta is a 3-phase 3-wire system. Star is 3-phase 4-wire system. Okay. In case of star, we need 4 wires. In case of delta, we need only 3 wires. Okay. So now this is the input. When this supply is on, so now I didn't give the supply. I will on and show it to you. Okay. When this is on, this power, whatever you are supplying from here to this kit, supply to kit, whatever you are giving, when this switch is up, what will happen? The voltage will be appearing across this. Means at the output terminals of the kit, you are going to get the supply. So now what you have done in this, so here you have connected this R, Y, B and neutral. Okay. So here you have connected to input terminal. This is the input terminal of the transformer. This is the output terminal of the transformer. Output of this you are giving to, here also I have used this color coding. R is connected to R, Y is connected to Y, B is connected to B. Okay. So now you can use this RYB and you are giving the connection to this input of the transformer. Output of this kit you are giving to input of this. Okay. And then you are taking the output terminal, the supply you have to take. No. So here what exactly you are doing is, you can vary this 0 to 470 volt by using this. A 3-phase is, we require that 0 to 415 volts. So this is the 0th position. When you are going to vary this, so what exactly? So you can vary the voltage, that is up to the required voltage. Okay. So now when you are going to keep this, here it will be 0 volts. Now that output of this transformer, you are going to take here, okay, So in the circuit, this output of the transformer, you are connecting to ammeter to measure the line current. Okay. So R phase, here R phase, I have taken it to ammeter. So R phase is taken it to ammeter to measure the line current. And then another terminal of the ammeter, you are going to connect it to the next ammeter to measure the phase current. Okay. In case of star, I have to show IL is equal to I phase. That's why I am using 2 ammeters. From R output of this 3-phase auto transformer, R phase, you are connecting to this ammeter. Then these 2 ammeter you are connecting in series. And then another terminal of this ammeter, you are connecting to this R phase, that is the starting terminal. This is the line terminal. Okay. Since I have done this star connection, I have shorted the finishing ends. Okay. So this is for star connection. Now the ammeter connection is over. And the load connection, I have connected it as star here. Okay. So because I have joined all the finishing terminals, so I have formed this neutral. Okay. So now this connection is over. Now I have to come to this voltmeters. Voltmeter, one voltmeter you connect between the 2 lines. Another voltmeter you connect between the line and neutral. Okay. So here there are 2 voltmeters here. Okay. So V1 and V2. So this voltmeter I have connected to measure the line voltage. This voltmeter I have connected to measure the phase voltage. Okay. So here you see that I have connected this between the 2 lines. Okay. Between the 2 lines here. So it is between this R phase and this. Okay. So between R phase and Y phase I have connected this voltmeter. These 2 are the voltmeter wires I have taken. Means since I have connected between the R phase and Y phase, this is going to measure the line voltage. Now this voltmeter I have connected between the R phase and neutral. See here, I have connected between the R phase and the neutral terminal. This is the neutral terminal. Since I have joined all the terminals, so this will be the neutral terminal. I have connected this voltmeter between the R phase and neutral terminal. Okay. So this is R phase, the starting terminal of this. Okay. So now this connection is over. Now we have to take the readings. Okay. So I will take the readings. I will give you how much reading we have got for this line current and phase current. How much reading we have got for line voltage and phase voltage. In case of star connection, line current should be equal to phase current and line voltage should be equal to √3 times phase voltage. So now the supply is on. So that supply is given to this. Since the switch is on, you see that this glow, you can observe that there is a supply in this. Okay. So the indicating lights are on here. Since we have switch on this supply. Okay. The output of this is given to this transformer. Now sir will vary this. So he is going to apply 400 volts. That 400 volts here from this side we have taken it to kit. So that's why here this, since I have connected these 2 terminals between the R and Y phase, this voltmeter will read 400 volts when sir applied 400 volts. Okay.
Reading question. Very good question. ನಾನು ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಸರ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಲ್ವಾ.
So it is around 400 volts. Okay. So now we have to switch on the load. Okay. Here the each switch means each load terminal will give 1 ampere. Okay. So there is 5 ampere load. Okay. This represents 5 ampere load because here 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Totally it is 5 ampere. So when I am going to switch on this, now the load is open. That's why the current you are getting 0 here. Okay, since the load is open, you are getting 0 ampere. So when the load is applied, this resistance will be included. So the current, it will create the path for current flow. So then the current will flow. See, we are getting the current. Okay. So now, shall I on one more? One is enough.
ಮೂರು ಒಳಗಡೆ.
Okay. So one is enough. Okay. So here I had given this. Now you see this, the line voltage I am getting here 399.2 volts. V phase I am getting, this is V phase, I am getting 228.9 volts, and this is line current, this is phase current, both are same. In case of star, since line current is equal to phase current, I am getting the same current here. So it is IL is equal to I phase, this is equal to 0.554. Okay. So this is the reading. So here you are going to get this VL is equal to root 3 V phase and IL is equal to I phase. This is what the determination of phase and line quantities of 3-phase star and delta connection. Now I will switch on one more load. Okay. So now the current will increase. See, here the same current I am getting in line and phase. So it is in case when I have applied that 2 ampere load. So this is with 1 ampere load. When I applied that 2 ampere load, so I am getting IL is equal to I phase. This is equal to 1.108 ampere. That is VL I am getting 398.6 volts and V phase I am getting 229 volts. Okay. So definitely you will get the relationship VL is equal to root 3 V phase. Okay. So I will do the calculation and I will show it to you later. This. Okay. So this is how you are going to conduct the experiment for determination of phase and line quantities of 3-phase star connection. Okay. So next I will do this delta connection here. To do the delta connection I have to minimize everything. I have to switch off everything. Then I have to do the delta connection here. Then I have to do this experiment similar to this. Okay.
ಲೋಡ್ ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
When this supply is on, you see here the indicator is glowing, means the supply is given to this. Now voltage is appearing across this. Now output of this kit, so you had given to this transformer input. From the transformer output you have taken the connections here. Okay. So now to indicate that VL is equal to V phase and IL is equal to root 3 I phase. So now sir is going to apply that line voltage here. You observe he is varying that variac. He is varying from 0 to that required voltage. We are going to apply up to 400 volt. Ramesh, calculator kodi. Calculator kodi.
ಓಕೆ.
So now he has applied this around 400 volt. Now you observe these two meters. Now the meter which is connected to line terminals is showing 401. So here the voltmeter which is connected to the phase, across the phase, is also showing the same voltage. Means in case of delta, the voltage across the line terminals is equal to voltage across the phase terminals. Means line voltage is equal to phase voltage. Okay. Now to verify IL is equal to root 3 times I phase. Now I am going to apply the load of 1 ampere. Okay. So now I am getting IL is equal to 1.661. Then I phase I am getting it is 0.964 ampere. Okay. And then VL is equal to V phase I am getting around 399 volts. Okay. So now this is with 1 ampere load. Now I am going to apply one more load. So one more this ampere. See, in case of delta, so as the load increases, you will get high current compared to the star. Okay. So here I am getting IL is equal to 3.292 and then I phase I am getting it is 1.899. Okay. So now I am going to switch off this. So when I am going to switch off the circuit, I have to go in reverse order. First I have to switch off this. switch, and then I have to decrease the voltage to 0, and then I have to switch off this MCB, and then I have to switch off the supply, then I have to switch off the switch in control board. Okay, now I will explain to you this how exactly we are going to calculate. Here in case of delta, so for this 1 ampere load, I have considered this IL is equal to 1.661, I phase is equal to 0.964. Now by using this 0.964 multiplied by root 3, so it is 0.964 multiplied by 1.732, that is the value of this root 3. So I am going to get this is 1.669 ampere. See, IL I have got it is 1.661. Here also I am getting 1.669. Means in case of delta, IL is equal to, this is I phase multiplied by root 3, that is equal to IL. IL is equal to root 3 I phase is verified. Now I will do the calculation of this VL and V phase in case of star. In 1 ampere load, I have got this VL is equal to 399.2 volts and V phase is equal to 228.9 volts. Now 228.9 multiplied by root 3 if you are going to do it. So it is 228.9 multiplied by 1.732, that is the value of root 3. So you are going to get it is 396.45, okay, volts. This is almost equal to this, VL is equal to 399.2 volts. So in case of star, we have verified VL is equal to root 3 V phase. Okay. So now we are going to upload the videos of this conduction of the experiment, and I am going to write these values in the manual, whatever you have. Okay. So these readings also we are going to give. Complete everything, write the record, you have to submit to us, that you write all the experiments in the record. Okay, so with readings, with the required graph, then you have to submit this record. Okay, thank you.